Alright, so we're going on a drive today. We got Mr. Fuckboy Alex and Mr. Louie. We're gonna get lit. He just sold his other car today. Out and about. Oh shit, what happened here? This does not look chill. Alright, looks like there's a minivan in front of us. So, that's not gonna be fun. This is going to be a terrible drive. Well, no one knows to pull over on the uphill, so I'm going to stop filming. The minivan pulled over and let us pass. I didn't film it because we're going slow as tits like this guy. And yeah, this is pretty freaking cool, man. But it looks like we're in the last of the last of the uphill, so whatever. And it's going fucking dirt slow. Nor do I fucking care. Oh, that's pretty cracky today. Jump. That looks great out today. Oh, look at that ether. Oh, that's a 2002. That shit was fucking sick. Beautiful roads. Nothing like it. I love this shit. Yeah. I washed my hands with my teeth.
Hey, you think you gripped that?
I don't know. Yeah, I almost picked up the egg. I thought about which one you got. Which one is this?
That's the shittiest one we have.
The first one?
Dude, that's the best one, dude, ever made.
Ever made, the shittiest one?
I created one of my fake ass recipes for a Hero 3 Plus.
Oh shit.
And then I went to, you know, you can spend $70 and get the little screen that you put on the back.
The screen's legit.
So you can see what the fuck you're doing.
Yeah.
A few times, and then one time I went over a big ass fucking rock and I hit my side and I was like, I don't want to do this anymore.
You hit a tree stump? Damn, Alex, you're taking the road less traveled?
We're taking the high road, we're taking the low road.
Yeah. What are you gonna accomplish up there? I'm gonna fuck my sister up there.
How's the weather up there?
I've never fucking even been out here. It's pretty nice though.
You got your GoPro with you walking?
I do. Yeah, what? Oh shit! That is Bigfoot. Damn, you got your fucking cardio for the week, huh?
Shit, this is my cardio for the year.
Oh shit, we could fucking... low blow, bro.
You would've gave up over there.
Low bro. God damn. This is fucking cool.
Damn, dude, these are like pillows right here, dude. Pillows.
I fucked on Alpine Road.
You fucked a chick on Alpine Road?
Yeah, you just park your car on Alpine Road and fuck her over the hood.
Gross.
What? It's dangerous.
When it's fucking pouring out?
No, when it's wet.
Nah, you like getting it wet, huh? Yep, Mr. Alex is gonna go buy some weed. Maybe we'll go get some ice cream. And that'll probably be it for the day. It is a beautiful day. It's winter. I guess spring. I don't know. Winter. I don't even know what it is right now, but beautiful day nonetheless. I can't see shit right there. That's scary. Should never leave a water bottle in your car. Or at least a gallon jug when you're driving. Driven the. Alright, it looks like we just got here. This place looks fucking weird. Okay. Kinda sick. Everyone fucking got their lifted trucks and shit.
Hey, look at that clown.
That one wheel peel.
Matt's girl's pretty sick for that.
One of like 10 girls up here. The whole sound.
Eat it.
Yeah.
Damn, this bathroom real ghetto. That cardboard. Dump truck. Where are we at?
We're at Foster Freeze in Boulder Creek, California.
Whoa. Look at this. They really like the use of cardboard. That's pretty. Corn dog gang. You suck. God. What do you have to say about that? You suck! See if Alex can make it. Nope. Kind of.